My dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Boring Shift. Today I am going to take an English first ever class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, lesson 24, discussion. So my dear students, open your this book, open your English for today book, class 6 English for today, and go to lesson 24. Lesson 24 is Aesop's Fable. So, my dear students, class 6, subject is English first paper, topic lesson 24 discussion, term manual, SW 7, teacher Ariful Islam, this is my messenger ID and mobile number. So, let's start the class. So, in the picture, you can see there is a farmer and 5 sons. We can see the pictures, but in the passage it is said that the farmer had 7 sons. There is a stick binding together and one stick in hand break the stick easily. We will learn about this. So annual term lecture 9, read the following text and answer the question that follows. Many hundreds of years ago, Aesop, a Greek slave means servant, became famous for the fables he told. Famous means renowned. Okay. After so many years, people all over the world still enjoy reading them today as much as Greek enjoyed listening to them long ago. So we can write word and synonym. Famous will be renowned, celebrated. Okay. So long ago and far away there was an old farmer who had 7 sons. One day the old farmer was lying on his bed and he thought that he would not live much longer. He called his sons before him. He told the servant to bring in a bundle of 7 sticks tied together. He handed the bundle to his oldest son and said to him, "Son, now break the bundle." The son tried with all his might, but he could not break the bundle. One by one, the other brothers tried. Now, none of them was strong enough. Okay? So, try, similar words, made an effort. The farmer smiled. "Now, my sons, untie the bundle. Each of you take a stick and try to break it." This time they had no difficulty breaking the sticks. In a few moments, all the sticks were broken. The old man looked at his sons affectionately and said, "Remember, in unity there is strength." So, the word remember, similar words, remind. You can say recall. Okay. So let's go to number 1. So this is number 1. Choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives. This is number 1. So many hundreds of years ago, Aesop, a Greek slave, became famous for the fables he told. Here the word famous is similar to unknown, strange, renowned in famous. The answer will be renowned. Number 2, after so many years, people all over the world still enjoy reading them. Here enjoy means aim, get, dislike, delight in. So enjoy means delight in. Long ago and far away, there was an old farmer who had 7 sons. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word farmer? So landowner, grower, cultivator, peasant. These 3 are synonym of farmer, and landowner is the opposite of farmer. Okay. Number 4, he gathered his sons before him. The word gathered means assembled, picked, selected, chosen. So the answer will be assembled. He told a servant to bring in a bundle of 7 sticks tied together. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to tie? So join, fasten, bind. There are the similar words of tie. Detach is the opposite meaning of tie. So many hundreds of years ago, Yusuf, a Greek slave, famous for the fables he told. Here the word fable is similar to truth, parable, real life story, drama. So the answer will be parable. He handed the bundle of to his oldest son. Handed means gave, hid, left, took. The answer will be gave. We will move to number 8. The son tried with all his might, but he could not break the bundle. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word might? So strength, power, force, these are the synonym of the word might. So weakness is the opposite word of the word might. One by one, the other brothers tried. The word tried means ran, worked, made an effort, walked. So tried means made an effort. Now my sons, untie the bundle. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to untie? Unfasten, bind, unknot, loosen. So unfasten, unknot, loosen are the similar word of untie. So bind is the opposite of the word untie. My dear students, this is your SW7 Summit on Sunday, lesson 24, question answer. Number 2, answer the following questions. Number A, what did the old man tell a servant? Number B, why is Yusuf famous? Number C, what did the eldest son do with the bundle of sticks? Number D, what did the sons do when they were given one stick each? Number E, what did he tell his sons to remember? I am reading again. Number 2, answer the following questions. Homework 7, lesson 24, question answer. Number A, what did the old man tell a servant? Why is Yusuf famous? Number C, what did the eldest son do with the bundle of sticks? Number D, what did the sons do when they were given one stick each? Number E, what did he tell his sons to remember? So my dear students, do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBS, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. And we are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW copies. That's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.